Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince Zero Trading Friend. Friends, once again we are going to look into the trade which we did today, and I should say again the quote which I had repeated last month: "Little drops of water makes a mighty ocean." Though it was not meaningful in our olden days, in during the times when we were studying it, now it is really making sense because day by day, small profits were accumulating, and then our capital is growing. This is how we are making money in stock market. As you know, this month it was not so very volatile. The market is moving sideways, and the profits also we are yet to get a very big profits, but consistently we are able to make small and steady profits. Okay, so before going forward, people, those who have not yet watched my those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, I recommend you to please press the subscribe button and also the bell button. You'll be getting lots of notifications on videos which I upload. And in case if you have any doubts, any confusion, any support required from my side, you can always WhatsApp. My number is 8095 876525. Yeah. So going to today's trade which we did, the stock selected was Reliance, and you can see the kind of trend Reliance was having. Okay. So in case if you are drawing a trend line also, you will observe I am drawing the trend channel. So many people are comfortable drawing the trend lines. You can continue drawing the trend lines, but I prefer drawing the trend channel. What happens is that it gives you it reduces the whipsaws, and it will give you a clear indication as to which direction the market is moving. And this doesn't even require your trend lines. By seeing itself, by visually looking into the chart itself, we can understand that Reliance future is continuing. It is going forward. Okay. So we are expecting the same kind of same momentum to continue. So in case if you see, you can find that it is um having a very good momentum and also an uptrend, and we're expecting the same to continue tomorrow as well. It can be true or it can't be true. Okay, so this is the previous video. In case if you have missed it, you please watch the video which is available in my YouTube channel. Okay, now coming back to our Reliance, we need to select the strike prices. So I am trying to take the nearest OTM which is having good open interest. Okay, ITM will be taking by end of the month, but as of now it doesn't make any difference. So ITM or OTM is fine. So I'm going with OTM so that whatever premium decay is there, we will be making use of it. Okay, so 1900 is the strike price which is favorable for us. So let me just add it into my watch list. So adding Reliance 1900 call option. Perfect. Yeah. So now let me go towards the insurance. So many people are saying, sir, this month your insurance is eating your profits. But as I told you, I am not bothered about the profits. I'm only bothered about the losses. As long as I'm taking care of my losses, my profits will automatically take care of themselves. I don't have to worry. So I'm just making sure my capital is safe. You know that the tensions going on, anything can happen. Though many people have stopped thinking about it, it's always better to be safe. And also, you know that intraday we are also making good money, so not a problem in case if night we are not making big amounts. We will wait for the big movements as well. Okay, so I am placing initially the call option, and you can see it is completed. And then now I am placing the buy option, and buy option I'm keeping as a market order so that it gets executed immediately. And then the insurance part. Okay, so many are not taking, but I am continuing with insurance. Reason because, as I told you, money has to be safe. So little bit of modification required. So let me just do the adjustments. Yeah, it is completed. Okay, so you can see my three legs have been executed. So these are my three legs which I've taken for the next day overnight position which we are planning to take. And as of now, all three have been executed, and we have to just make sure that the future moves in our direction so that we will come out profitable the next day. Okay, so let us see how we handled it in the morning. So morning when we woke up, this was situation. You can see the overall P&L is around having around 1000 rupees profit. The day P&L is having only 202 rupees profit. So you can see the difference here. And as I told you, we don't have to worry much now. We will wait for the big profits to come, and we will go ahead with our intraday strangle which we are trading. Okay, so once again I'm continuing with the same Reliance itself, so that there won't be much confusion. And you also know that in case if there's any big movements, we will do the adjustments as well. So the strike prices which I'm trying to take, let me just refresh once again. Yeah, so the strike prices which I'm planning is, it has to be OTM, and also I'll make sure that both the premiums are almost the same, so that in case if there's any movement in one side, we can do the adjustments in the other side as well. So 2000 would be very far because considering the LTP. So let us go a little more nearer, and I can see 1000. Yeah, 1900 is fine, but presently Reliance future is 1853. Okay, so we have to be equidistant on the both the sides. So if that's the case, 1900 is also having very good open interest. You can see around 20 lakh open interest is available. So we will go ahead with 1900 itself, and let us see in opposite side also there is 1800. Yes, the ask price is almost same. So let us just try adding into the watch list and see. So adding Reliance 1800 first. It needed to be the put option, but I selected the call option. Okay, so Reliance 1900 call option, and then changing the call option to put option. Okay, so the two strike prices which we have taken are 1900 call option and 1800 put option. Thereby after that I am placing an intraday order. So people those who are having shortage of funds can place cover order or bracket orders, and since I am placing with sufficient funds, I am placing the normal orders as well. So today we just traded with two lots. We did not go to increase after that because suddenly there was big movements in Reliance. So I never felt the need to do big movements in, I mean, increase the quantity in Reliance. Okay, so I continued with Reliance with the same quantity, and I got decent enough profits. And presently you can see there's nothing much, but these are my two legs which I have taken. 1000, 10,000, that is nothing but two lots. And end of the day we closed the position around 12:24. You can see the time we closed, we got around 2000 rupees profits, and then we immediately closed the position. So there was no adjustments taken today, just two orders in the morning, and then just closed our orders, nothing, that's it. So we were happy with the profits we got. Okay, so sometimes, as I was telling you, little drops of water will make a mighty ocean. So that is what we are following as of now. So you can see the way we have traded as well, small profits this month. So the night strategy has given us 1000, and the day strategy has given us 2000. Okay, so thereby overall the profit is as of now 13,500. But you can see the consistency, the accuracy in the day. This is what I was telling, it is in our control. If at all any adjustments are there, we are doing in the daytime and doing the adjustments. And also you can see the accuracy is good. Friends, many times I just wanted to ask you, will there be a, if there's a situation where you make big profits like this, say for example day 1 you made 10,000 loss, day 2 you made 20,000 profit, then again day 3 you made 20,000 profit, again day 4 you made minus 30,000 loss. Okay, so the overall sum you can see, just adding, is coming to 0. Okay, let me make this minus 20,000. Yeah, so overall profit you can see has come to 10,000. In the same way here you can see, though we have taken small drops of ocean, and also we are reaching almost the same profit. So which do you prefer? Do you feel this is better, or this kind of trading making money is better? Friends, there are two things. People those who start trading and those who are new to trading will will be very happy seeing this kind of returns when they see suddenly 20,000 big profits and all those things. But as when you keep trading, you'll understand it will drain your emotions very badly. Say for example, when they see this kind of big losses of 20,000, then the next day they will start searching a different strategy. Okay, so in one way, when you see this kind of profit, this is far better. Slow and steady consistent returns, even if it is small, you are making up the returns what you want. And also, we are not in any big kind of emergency or big kind of hurry. Market is always there. Try to make consistent small profits, and then automatically you can increase your capital. So now you can see that we're trading with a small funds. Then if at all you're able to make this kind of consistent returns, just double your investment. You can say returns also will invest. Returns also will double. Then there's no limitations. Once you're very confident, once you're doing consistently this kind of returns, then keep on increasing the positions. Okay, friends. So that was all about today's trading. Any other doubts, any other confusion? As I told you, I'm repeating my number once again. It's 8095 876525. This is my WhatsApp number. Please use only for WhatsApp. Any doubt, any confusion, please don't call me. You can WhatsApp. Because when I'm recording, I keep switch off my mobile. Otherwise, calls keep coming. And also while trading, I switch off my mobile. Otherwise, I'll keep getting distracted. So please do WhatsApp me. I'll reply. There's not even one message which I don't reply. So please do message me. Okay, friends. So thank you and have a nice day.